sa Samsorico. Time in for the third quarter. Number 2 inbounding the ball. Natapit ang bola number 13, nakuha yung number 1. Number 1 yun, Surigo, hahras by number 24. Yan, nakuha ang bola yung number 19. Gonzales ngayon, nagmamadali po doon si Gonzales Lumiak. Yes sir, 2 points by Gonzales.
Round score 37 against 31, 6-point lead, Samsorico.
Number 2 ngayon, nagdala ng bola, pass to number 11. Ay, binasa sa unang hataw ni number 11. Timeout! Samsorico 2. Mga palay, gawas na mo.
Remaining time, 9 minutes and 34 seconds. Running score, 37 against 31. 6-point lead, Samsorico.
Number 6, Limbano. Limbano yan, nagdidiskarte. Pasta kay Tura.
12 seconds to shoot.
Tura to number 7. Number 7 yun pumasok.
8 seconds to shoot.
Tura. Ay number 7. Pinasa kay Gonzales. Tapet, no good. Nakuha pa rin ang rebound ni number 7. Fake. Tumira, no good pa rin. Gonzales pa rin ang rebound. Bola sa Samsorico 2. Napitawan ang bola ni Gonzales. Ay, natakip number 13. Number 13 yan. Nakuha ang bola ni number 13. Post ball rep.
Remaining time, 8 minutes and 58 seconds. Shot clock at 17. Running score, 37 against 31. 6-point lead, Samsorico.
Bola ngayon ng Garbenco. Okay. Balls in play. Bola ngayon ng Garbenco. Number 7 inbounder ball. Pass na number 6.
4 seconds to shoot.
Limbano oras by number 1. Limbano to number 19.
8 seconds to shoot.
The number 7 to Mira. Yes sir. Equals by number 7.
Running score 37 against 33. 43 Samsorico.
Balance by number 7. Number 11. Yung diskarte, yung pinasa. It's a lost ball.
Sa application. Yung glass out, request by Visitasyon. Yung glass out, request by Visitasyon.
Number 11 out. Number 21 in. Papaliyog lang mga pan. Samsorico. Mawali na kamay din. It's a traveling violation committed by jersey number 6.
8 minutes and 26 seconds remaining of the third quarter. Round score 37 against 33.
Bola sa San Zorrego. Jersey number 28 inbound the ball. Pinasa kay number 27. Number 27 pa rin. Ay, walang katao-tao si number 21. 2 points by jersey number 21.
Score 39 against 33. 6-point lead, Sam Soreco.
Sa Aquino, tatapik ang bola. Bola pa rin ng Garbepco.
13 seconds shot clock.
Number 7, inbound yung ball. Pasa ka number 6. Wait, number 6 to number 13. 3 seconds violation.
8 minutes and 2 seconds remaining of the third quarter. Score 39 against 33. 6-point lead, Sam Soreco.
History going inbound yung ball. Story ko ngayon. Pasa ka number 21. Paras by number 6. Number 21 ngayon. Number 21 ngayon. Discarded sa number 31. Pasa sa ilalim.
48 seconds to shoot.
Nabitawan na bola. Nakuha ni jersey number 5. Pasa number 1.
8 seconds to shoot.
May kasamang foul. Who's foul rep? Number 24, Miel Pau. Historico inbound in the ball. Pinasa kay number 27 sa ilalim. Number 27, short. Nakuha ang bola ng jersey number 21. Nabitawan ng number 1.
3 seconds to shoot.
227, tumira. No good pa rin. Nakuha pa rin yung jersey number 1 to number 28. Wala pa rin. Number 27. To number 1. Not so. 2 points by jersey number 1.
Asa babang niyo?
Round score 41 against 33.
Tura ngayon.
Shot clock at 14.
Number 7 tuloy-tuloy. Lumayap. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni jersey number 8. Agaw ni number 7. May kasama foul. Counted.
Substitution.
Foul jersey number 1 is Rigo. Bonus one is Aquino.
Round score 41 against 35. 6-point lead, Sam Soreco.
Ready jumper.
Remaining time is 7 minutes and 7 seconds.
Pulling it down is Aquino. Yeah, Mariano. It's something bad. Nakuha ni Ivan jersey number 5. Nakagaw ang bola ni number 6. Limbano ngayon. Tumira. Yes, 2 points by Limbano. Nakuha ang bola ni number 19. Gonzalez na naman. May kasamang foul. Jersey number 27 foul.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Round score 41 against 37. 4-point lead, Sam Soreco.
Bonus throwing good. Ay. Unang bitaw ni Gonzalez.
Wala!
Time out! Garbepco. Grabe ang Sam Soreco ng shot. Ready, palupig!
Both team, 1 timeout left. Alvareco, you have third personal foul. Remaining time is 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Running score 41 against 37. 4-point lead, Zams Regalos.
Pulling without ready jumper.
Wala! 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 Oh, what?
Nakuha ang rebound ni number 19 pa rin ang bola. Chupuno. No good. Jersey number 19. It's a lost ball. Bola ngayon ng Samson Regalos.
Papapte!
Number 5 ngayon. Number 5 nagmamadali si jersey number 5. Pasa kay number 91. And that's 2 points by jersey number 91.
Round score 43 against 37. 6-point lead, Zams Regalos.
Limbaro ngayon dribbling the ball. Limbaro, nasagay. Pasa kay number 13 to number 18. Back to number 18. Back to Limbaro. Limbaro pumasok. Okay, tumira. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 27. Pass to number 21. Number 21 yun. Oras kay number 13. Number 21 pa rin. Tuloy-tuloy. May kasamang foul. Jersey number 13. Tura foul. 2 free throw awarded by jersey number 21.
Second personal foul of Mr. Tura.
Unang bitaw. Yes, Nico. Pulling bitaw ng jersey number 21. Ready jumper. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni jersey number 91. Number 91 sa ilalim. Free throw. Sa application.
Sagono, replaced by Limbaro. Six minutes more to play.
Set. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18. Pimentres. Shoot. It's a lost ball. Bola ngayon ng Samson Regalos.
5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining of the third quarter.
Number 28 to number 5. Pass to number 27. To number 91 sa ilalim. Maras kay number 2 ng balo. Jersey number 91. Gustavo. Jersey number 2 ng balo.
Sa application,
Live na yan?
Tura out replaced by Marshall.
Pulling with bonus story in jersey number 91. Ready jumper. Jersey number 91 pa rin ang bola. Pass to number 5. Number 5, black. Nakuha pa rin ni 91. 91 yun. Sa nalang black pa rin number 18. Nakuha rin pa rin number 9. Nakagawa rin number 21. 91. Ay, pass down. Wow. Number 11, flag.
Nakakaboy talo!
2 free throw. Blue jersey number 91.
Remaining time is 5 minutes and 26 seconds.
Unang bitaw ni 91. Yes, lock ball. Pulling bitaw, ready jumper.
Gapon ko, warning for penalty. Score, 49 against 37. 12-point lead, Zams Regalos.
Yes, lock ball. Number 19, dribbling wrong.
5 minutes and 22 seconds.
19 to number 18. Okay? Pulling baro. Munti ka na magaw. To number 11 yun. Number 11 pumasok. Ipinasa sa ilalim. Nabitawan ng bola. It's a traveling violation to jersey number 2.
5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining of the third quarter.
Number 21 inbound in the ball. To number 5. Big one. to number 28. Tumira ng tres. No good. Jersey number 5 pa rin. Ay, nakuha ang rebound ni number 19. Limbaro ngayon. Limbaro to Limbaro. Limbaro to Limbaro. Limbaro to Limbaro. Yes! 2 points by Limbaro. Jersey number 2. Long pass to number 91. Number 91 yun. Alas na apat na mama. By jersey number 27. 19 to number 11 to win ang tres. Ay, may Gabino. Ay, nakuha ang rebound ni jersey number 27 na number 5. Jersey number 5 to win up. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni jersey number 6. Limbaro. Limbaro yan. Limbaro crossover to win up. No good. Nakuha pa rin ang rebound ni number 27. Number 27. Naaga ni number 6. Ay, nakutawa ni number 6. Time out, Garbenko.
Garbenko, no more time out. Zone sa record na pausa. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 56 seconds.
Score 52 against 39 in favor of Samsung Record Food.
Everybody get your hands up.
Asan mo na ang fans sa Garbenko?
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 56 seconds.
Nawa naman ang turutot. Jersey number 5, pass sa ilalim, natabi ng bola. Nakuha ni number 19, pass to number 6. Limbaro ngayon, walang katao-tao. Yes, 2 points by number 6. Bola ngayon, Samson. Number 5. Naaga ang bola ni jersey number 13, Tula. Tula ngayon, nagmamadali si Tula, lumayap. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni jersey number 27. Pass to number 28, nabitawan ang bola ni number 28. Bola ng Garbenko.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 29 seconds.
Number 7 in volleyball. Pass to number 6. Number 6 ngayon. Crossover to Vera Andres. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 27. Ipinasa sa ilalim ng number 25. Wala. Masyadong malakas ang pasa.
3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining of the third quarter.
Tura. Tura ngayon. Drifting the ball, no? Tura. Tura ngayon. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 5. To number 27.
3 minutes more to play. Shot clock at 14.
Number 5.
9 seconds to shoot.
Hindi ka namagam. Number 5 nga, naghanap basan. Pass to number 21 to Mayroon Tres. No good. Rebound ni Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Tura. Tura to number 10. Number 10 to Mira. Ay, patay ang Butike. Nakuha rin ba na number 19? Yes, 2 points by jersey number 19.
2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining of the third quarter. Running score 43 against 52. 9-point lead, Samsung Record.
27 ngayon, pass to number 28.
12 seconds to shoot.
To number 5, side step. Layup, no good. Nakuha rin ba ni Gonzalez? Nakapit ang bola. Number 7 pa rin ang bola. Number 7 ngayon, nagkamadali si number 7. Number 7, ipinasa sa ilalim, number 6. Yes, 2 points with jersey number 6. It's a line ball. Timeout! Samsung record. Both teams wala ng timeout sa third quarter. Both teams wala ng timeout sa third quarter.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Rally score, 52 against 45, 7-point lead, Samsung record. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Bola kayo ng Garbanco. Number 7 inbound ball. To number 10. To number 6. Number 6 pumasok. Pass to number 19. Back to number 13. Zervas. Miretas. No good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Pass to number 7. May pinasa sa kalaban. Nagawa number 28. To number 21. Number 21 to number 27. Number 27 yan nagmamadalalas by number 7. Lay up. Yes, 2 points by number 27.
1 minute and 45 seconds.
Number 13 yan. Number 13 to number 19. Number 19. Nagawa bola number 27. It's a lost ball by number 13. Bola ngayon ng Samsung.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock.
Number 7 inbound ball. To number 28, tumira. Short. Nakuha ang rebound ng number 10. Pasa kay number 6. Walang katao-tao si number 6. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 6.
1 minute and 19 seconds.
Number 21, dribbling ball. Number 21 yun, naghanap ng pasan.
Shot clock at 16. 40 seconds shoot.
Nakagawang bola. Tura to Limbaro. Limbaro tumira. Yes, 2 points.
A minute more to play.
Number 5.
55 seconds.
Tingnan naman bitawan. Number 5 yun, tumasok si number
15 seconds.
Nakuha ang rebound ni number 7. Pass to Limbaro.
25 seconds.
Ano yun? To Toledo! Yes,
30 seconds. 39 seconds. 35 seconds.
Ay, nabitawan mo lang.
30 seconds.
Tura yun, tumira yung 3. Yes, 3 points.
20 seconds.
It's a line.
Yes, a deadlock score. 54. 20 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining.
Right?
Seconds remaining. Score as a deadlock score, 54 all.
Bola ngayon ng Garbanco. Chilanga. Number 7. Protect nga ang bitawan ng bola.
3 seconds. 13 seconds remaining. 13 15 seconds. 30 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for the third quarter. And the deadlock score, 54.
Okay, announcement mo, gula lang ta. Wala init tayo gulo, ha? Kaya itong preview gamay na kayo. Hala, sa akin mga fans! Time in for the fourth and final quarter. Score, it's a deadlock score in favor of 54. Two na yun. To number 19, Gonzalez. To number 7. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 13. Nagana mapasahan to number 7. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin number 13 ng bola. To number 10. Nabitawan ang bola.
10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock.
Bola pa rin ng guard. Numbers 7 to 6. It's a traveling violation committed to number 6. To number 91. To number 2.
Shot clock at 15.
To number 28. To Fernandez. Yes, it's a 3 points by jersey number 28. Mga audience na tayo lang kayo sulti niya sa line na kasi man-technical mo. Number 7. Number 7 ngayon tuloy-tuloy pumasok. Yes, 2 points with jersey number 7. Number 2 to number 1. Number 1 yan. Pass to number 28. Tumira ang tres. No good. Nakuha rin ko na number 27. Yes, 2 points with jersey number 27. Tula yun, dalas may jersey number 2. Tula pa rin. Tula to Gonzalez. Gonzalez tumira. No good. Nakuha rin pa rin number 27. Pass to number 1. To number 2. Number 2 yun. Layup. Takes a short. Nakuha rin pa rin number 7. Number 7 yun, dalas jersey number 2. To Limbaro. Limba, no good. Nakuha ang Limba ng jersey number 91. To 28, tuloy-tuloy sa jersey number 28. Yes! 2 points by jersey number 28.
Running time 8 minutes and 23 seconds.
Tula pa rin. Ay, nakaga ang bola ng number 28. To number 1. Number 1 layup, no good. Nakuha ang Limba ng number 2. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 2. Timeout, Garbenco. Score 56 against 63 in favor of Samsung Record Group. Ang Garbenco, isa na lang itong timeout sa 4th quarter. Samsung Record 2, napaiduha. Time in for the timeout break.
8 minutes and 9 seconds remaining of the fourth quarter. Running score 63 against 56. 7 with lead Samsung Regulos.
Bola ngayon ng Garbenco. Number 25, Drew Ho. Pass to number 18, Puno. Back to number 10.
11 seconds sa clock.
Back to number 18, Tumira. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 18. Number 1 yan, Drew Ho.
Running time 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Number 1, pass to number 27. 12 seconds to shoot. Ipinas sa labas, number 28. No good. Nakagaw ang bola. Ay, nakagaw ulit ng jersey number 19 to number 18. Pass to number 25. What's on to Ellis? Ay, ang Pinoy. Nakuha rin ba rin para counted foul.
Running score 63 against 60. 3-point lead Samsung Record.
Foul jersey number 1 is to Rico. Bonus throw ni Limbaro. Ready jumper.
Remaining time is 7 minutes and 25 seconds.
Yes, 1. Preston. Kailangan no good. May kasamang foul. Foul jersey number 18. Puno. Substitution. Number 2 out. Number 21 in. Lunang bitaw ni number 91. Yes, 1.
Remaining time is 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Huling bitaw. Another 1 point by jersey number 91. Limbaro yun. Wala na mabasan. Dumidiskarte si Limbaro.
30 seconds sa clock.
Pass to number 10.
10 seconds to shoot.
To number 25. Tumira ng tres. Ay, patay ang butiging naka-helmet. Number 27 yun. Nagmamadali pasa sa ilalim by number 21. Ay, short. Natapit ang bola. Nakuha ni Limbaro ang bola. Limbaro yun tuloy-tuloy. Ipinasa kay number 10. Number 10 yun. Fake. Inside block by jersey number 81. Number 19 pa rin. To Limbaro. May kasamang foul. Jersey number 91 foul.
Siya kabuson.
Tres no out. Balukasin.
Rest no warning.
No good. Enriquez.
Enriquez warning. Score 65 against 61. 4-point lead. Zam Soreco.
Huling bitaw ni Limbaro, ready jumper. 6-1-4. Number 28 inbound ball. Number 1, haras ko yung number 25.
30 seconds to shoot.
Number 1 yan, ito diskarte.
10 seconds to shoot.
Pass to number 27.
6 seconds to shoot.
To number 21, fake. Number 21, pumasok. Yes, 2 points by number 21. Number 10, haras ko yung number 1. Naagaw ang bola, munti na nakuha ni Puno. Puno to number 25, goes on back to Puno. Sa ilalim sa Toledo. Toledo ngayon, layup. No good. Nakuha pa rin ang bola ni Puno. Yes, 2 points by Puno.
5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining of the final quarter. Round score 67 against 64. 3-point lead Zam Soreco.
Historical dribbling ball. Pass to number 28. Number 28, haras by number 18. Back to
8 seconds to shoot.
Historical pumasok. Ipinasa sa labas. Number 21, fake. Tumira na 3. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 27. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 18. 18 pa rin. To number 19. Number 19 to number 6. Walang kataon. Ay! Masyadong short. Mahina ang tera ni number 6. Historical tumira. No good. It's a lost ball.
Set position. Runs one out. Replaced by Tura. Remaining time 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Round score 67 and 64. 3-point lead Zam Soreco.
Tura ay balbing ball. Tura to Limbaro. Limbaro to number 18 Puno. Fake. Pumasok. Ipinasa kay Gonzales. Gonzales ngayon tumira. 2 points by Gonzales.
5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining of the final quarter. 67 and 66. 1-point lead Zam Soreco. 15 seconds shot clock.
Historico para sa number 18. May kasama foul. Reaching foul, jersey number 13.
Tura running.
Number 27 to number 28.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 28 yan pumasok. May kasama foul. Who's foul? Jersey number 19, Gonzales.
Gonzales warning.
Unang bitaw ni number 28, Enriquez. No good. Substitution net.
Garbel ko 3 team fouls. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Round score 67 against 66.
1 point by number 28. Tura ngayon, nagdadala ng bola. Tura to Limbaro. Limbaro dumidiskarte.
40 seconds shot clock.
Back to Tura, tumira ng 3. Yes! It's a 3 points!
As a change favor. 69 against 68. 1-point lead team Gordon po.
Number 5. Ipinasa kay number 28. Tumira. No good. Nakuha rin ba ni number 27? Wala pa rin. Nakuha rin ba ni number 19? Number 19, matigal na bago. Nakuha number 7. It's a last one. Tira ng Saxo record.
4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining of the final quarter.
Number 21 to number 27.
12 seconds shot clock.
Back to number 21.
6 seconds to shoot.
Pumasok si number 21. Pass number 28. Enriquez. Enriquez sa ilalim. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni Gonzales. Gonzales pa rin. To number 7. To number 6. Limbaro. Limbaro na may up. Yes. 2 points by Limbaro. Long pass to number 28. Number 28 to number 5. Yes. 2 points.
3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining of the final quarter.
Tiga na bago ni number 5. Limbaro yun. Limbaro tumira. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni Gonzales. Gonzales. Yes. 2 points by Gonzales. Timeout. Saxo record.
Final score 73 against 17. 3-point lead for Bemco. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Both team, tagsa-tagsa na lang kita mo tabilin. Saxo record 2 team fouls. Bemco 3 team fouls.
For the timeout break.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 35 seconds before the end of the final quarter. Round scores 73 against 17. 3-point lead for Bemco.
Number 81 yan sila. Harassment number 7, number 6. Back to number 27. Ay, walang tinamaan na rin yung tira ni number 27.
3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining of the final quarter.
Bola ng Bemco. Number 10 to number 6. Yung paano yan? Yung didiskarte sa ito.
10 seconds shot clock.
Limbaro pa rin, bola.
10 seconds to shoot.
Limbaro pumasok, tumira. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 27.
3 minutes left to play.
Number 91, pumasok si number 91. Ipinasa sa ilalim, binalo ng Tukay. Wala, nakuha ang rebound ni Gonzales. Munti pa na nayo, nakuha ni number 13 to number 6. Wala, nagpapao si number 6.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Final score 75 against 17. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Bola ng Samsorego pa rin.
19 seconds to shoot.
Number 27 pumasok. Yes, 3 points by number 27.
2 minutes and 35 seconds. Running score 75 against 72. 3-point lead for Bemco.
Number 30 ngayon, Tura.
12 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot.
Tura to Limbaro. Limbaro pumasok. Tura to Mirandres. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni Gonzales. Gonzales, wala. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 28. Now pass to number 5 by Lucas. Yes, he goes by number 5. Timeout, Garbenco.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Running score, 75 against 74. 1-point lead, Garbenco. Garbenco, no more timeout. Usapon sa record, napayusa. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Running score, 75 against 74. 1-point lead, Garbenco.
Inbound the ball. Tura. Tura ngayon, pa-dribble, di ba?
Last 2 minutes.
Gonzales.
40 seconds to shoot.
Number 7. Tumira ng 3. Masyadong malakas. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 13. To number 10, Tulino. Walang katawa. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 27. To number 5. Number 5 to number 21. Number 21 ngayon. May kasamang foul. Who's fouled up? Jersey number 6. Limbaro pa.
First personal foul on Mr. Limbaro. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining of the final quarter. Warning for penalty, Garbenco.
Unang bitaw ni number 21. Yes.
Sagunot, replaced by Puno. Yes, at deadlock scores, 75 all. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining.
Huling bitaw ni number 21, ready jumper. No good. Nakuha pa rin ang rebound number 28. Tumira ng 3. Yes, it's a 3 points by number 28. Gonzales.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 27.
1 minute and 25 seconds.
Number 28, ipinasa sa kalaman. To number 18, Puno. To Gonzales. Gonzales kaya pumasok. Gonzales layup, no good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 91.
1 minute and 8 seconds.
Number 28, number 91. Number 91.
A minute notable.
Nakakaya bola ni number 5.
55 seconds.
To number 27.
15 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot. 45 seconds.
Yes, he goes.
33 seconds remaining. 33 seconds.
Nabitawan ang bola ni number 18.
31 seconds.
Timeout! Samson record.
31 seconds remaining. Running score, 82 against 75. 750, Zamso record. Both team, wala na yung timeout.
Close fight kayo.
31 seconds remaining.
Seconds remaining. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 27.
20 seconds.
Number 1 to
9 seconds shot clock.
Tumira, no good. It's a jumper. Bola pa rin ng Zamso Reco.
31 seconds.
Malukas inbound ball. Number 21.
9 seconds to shoot.
It's a traveling violation.
26 seconds.
Hello, Roger.
Number 6. Tumira Andres. It's a 3.
21 seconds.
It's a foul.
18 seconds. Penalty situation. One score, 82 against 78.
Ooh, down.
18 seconds remaining.
Ready jumper. It's Victor. Good ball yan.
15 seconds.
Tumira Andres. Yes, 3 points.
30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. Warning for technical team Gobimco for delaying the game. Running score 84 against 81. 3-point lead, Zamso Reco. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds.
Foul by the ball.
11 seconds. Second personal foul of Mr. Rimbaro. 11 seconds remaining. Running score 84 against 81. 3-point lead, Zamso Reco. And 11 seconds remaining. Seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Samsurico wins.
Samsurico.
Samsurico to win. Tapos ng game. Champion Samsurico. Si anak.
Congratulations, Samsurico 2. I would like to request Samsurico, the champion, to be in front for the photo ops.
Wala, final lang eh. Daog na.
One game naman. Ano po yung gano'n yung langit? Alis na magulong one game.
Baka dagan na mga pila ni. The champion! Okay. Wala. Bye-bye. Salamat, Dole.
Lay, manguryente ba na sa surek ko?
Walay blackout.
May brown out.
Okay. Anak! MVP oh!